There is nothing wrong with you. Absolutely nothing. The way you were made is perfect. You may not believe me right now because you have been told your whole life that you need to be this way or that way. You may have been told you needed to look better, think better, or act better, but who are they to know what better is for you? We all start with a specific set of traits, and better is going to look different for everyone. You may even think you need to be better to honor your ancestors, your culture, your leaders. But if their ways don't work for you, it does not mean they are not right for them. Their ways were appropriate for a certain time or a specific circumstance, but your life is unique and you get to choose how you are in this life of yours. Your parents could not have imagined raising a child who has access to information within seconds. Hello, Facebook. Your mom could not have imagined having a career and raising kids because she was doing it on her own. Your mentor had their own struggle to get where they are, but that does not mean that you will too. No one has your life. No one has your circumstances, not even the kid next door who grew up with you. You can honor and respect them without adopting their ways. You can acknowledge that what they have chosen works for them and would not work for you. Be the and, not the but. You can choose among the myriad of ways of being and still find something that is even more uniquely you. When you know there is nothing wrong with you, the way you look is absolutely beautiful. The way you think is innovative, and what you feel is valid. Let me repeat this. You are beautiful. You are creative, and you matter. When you stop thinking that you need to be better, all the parts of you that want to shine get the space that's so desperately needed. It's suddenly okay to acknowledge your beauty and everything right about you. It's more than okay, it's absolutely needed. Without you acknowledging it, the young ones, the ones that need your light, will not be able to acknowledge their own beauty. And once you are basking in your perfection, you can see that everything you thought was wrong about you is actually what is strong about you. If you were judging your body as wrong, you can now see how beautifully unique and powerful it truly is. If you were judging yourself as not educated enough, you can now see how thirsty for information and critical thinking you really are. If you were judging yourself as not talented enough, you can see how you know you are not playing yet at the level you know you can play at, and you can start working on it. After all, talent is a great desire to do something put in practice. There is nothing about you that is wrong, and what you thought was wrong is actually what's strong. I did not say your behavior is not wrong. If you are hurting someone else or yourself, you need to stop it right now because that is just not okay. But that does not make who you are as wrong. Unhealthy behaviors are often due to what we think about ourselves. If you do the work and see that there is nothing wrong about you, your behavior will change and you will treat everyone, you included, with more kindness. Today, you cannot be successful professionally or personally if you think there is something wrong with you. Before today, you could work your way up, you could earn the degrees and know all the right people, but today, literally anyone can work hard. The difference between those who are successful and those who stay successful is who you say you are. So let me ask you, are you saying you are a mistake, or are you saying you are uniquely extraordinary? The choice is yours.